funny funny, bro. I'm still dead when he called the fucking airport workers peasants. Bro, he called them peasants because they wanted I think upgrade his flight or some shit, or like he came like a little bit late, but they still let him leave or let him go. I'm like, that shit whack. It only was like 15 minutes late. Not that bad. I'm finna on some real shit. I don't even think I'm finna go out like that. This the remainder of this year. Next year for sure. I'm outside next year. But this year I'm just staying in.
I'm definitely inside this year.
Yeah. Next year I'm outside though. Sure outside. Saving up like crazy. Get my training game up. Yeah. Like I'll go out every now and then, but I'm not going out as much as I used to. That's one, I ain't catching no fucking virus again. Alright.
Are you immune to it now? Like, can you like
I
not
don't
get it
even.
anymore?
Look, I'm gonna be real. I don't even think that immunity thing is real. So I'm not even gonna push it. But I'm still
No, that's
gonna.
how it works, bro. That's how
think-
viruses work.
I hope.
You
I hope it's
like,
how it
yeah.
works. Cause like this is like some new shit. So
Nah,
you know,
but
people,
yo, you can catch it again though.
yeah, you can still catch it again. That's the thing. But it's a new one, so people just making out like random facts or whatnot. Like that heat thing. Even like a doctor said on one of the interviews yesterday.
Bro,
she's
nobody.
she's
The thing
like-
is, bro, nobody knows like the actual truth about like anything about like the virus.
Yeah,
Like, really.
no one knows like literally. No one knows the origin.
shit about it.
No one knows the origin. No one knows like or the real symptoms because they all
Like, did it feel like weird? Like, did it feel like different?
No,
Yeah,
it's
that fever. That shit felt like I ain't never felt a fever like that. I was literally burning. I'm like, yo, am I done right here, bro? I feel like a fucking hot dog right now at boiling water. I'm like, hey, yo, what the fuck? And then, let's see, my headaches, bro. Yo, them headaches was unusual as hell, bro. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with me? And shit, it was some other shit. It was like I couldn't sleep for a little. That shit felt weird. Yeah. All right. Let's see.
Are we going up here in GJ? We going up here. Price broke the high here. We should come up to here. Just level. Yeah, we should come here. Cause yeah, it broke the high here, you know. Good looks.
Hourly broke the high.
Yep, hourly broke the high. 15-minute close bullish. 30-minute close bullish. This looks good.
Just our resistance and all.
See.
It's playing at a real strong resistance. Right
No,
now.
it's not break it here. It broke the high. It should break it.
Right.
Yep.
I love looking at RDBLA on YouTube, bro. It inspires me. Next flips. You record?
Yes, sir. I'm recording.
Let it.
Oh,
good
yeah,
morning, everybody.
Wait, so when I record, you guys could save it too or some shit? Record it too?
Huh?
When I record it, you guys can record it too?
Oh no, it won't let me.
Oh.
It says recording permission from the meeting.
You got in GJ now?
Yes, I did. Pretty much got in on this 15-minute candle right here. On this 15-minute candle, bullish candle right here. This is my entry down here.
Yeah, I gotta, like, my entry's basically at the bottom of this candle right now, of this 30-minute candle, like, literally at the bottom.
This is the trade I'm in. Yeah. Look at my screen. Around this area. Yeah, I think same entry is 0 some. I'm currently risk free on it. I just hope it doesn't hit my entry again.
I just want to stop that.
Yeah, I moved stops to break even. Like 7 pips in profit. Didn't really close anything. Cause look, it's like, cause price made a support here, so. Hold on. Yeah.
Bruh, can people stop with this freaking rumor that Cardi had a kid, bruh? Like, they need to stop spreading that fake thing, man. It's so weird, man. Like, it's going on, like, all these fake, you know, like those, what's this thing called, like, Say Cheese TV and all that? I'm like, bruh, this man Cardi ain't had no kid. This cat.
Can't believe that shit no more.
I can't really say.
I'm in GJ by right now.
It's so break even.
Imagine I costumes all like that.
Bruh, hell no. People gonna be like, what the fuck is this man on? What is my man's on?
Yep. Oh man, mega hand entry. Come on, survive. Survive.
Survive.
Survive. Come on, yes. Yes.
Bruh, draw a stick man, draw a stick man.
Alright, if I draw it, it's probably gonna survive here.
Yeah, you gotta draw a stick man. Let's go.
Come on. Boom. Lift those weights, bruh.
Go.
Lift those weights.
Lift those weights, baby.
This guy body hella small. Come on.
Oh hell no.
Guy's holding his head top.
This man at 165.8, bruh. Let's go.
Oh, someone just bought a course. Nice.
Liddy.
Oh fuck. My phone just says purchase a lifetime. I should change this. Oh. Damn. Yo, you guys seen UCG Pro last night? It's just started moving.
Nah, I don't know. Bro, I don't touch that, dude. It's like,
Hold on.
bad memories. What did it do? Like, how big was the movement? Never mind. I can see it.
Let's see. Hold on. Let me see.
Let's see.
Yeah, check it.
Gotcha.
I don't know how big that move was. Come on. Wait.
Oh my god.
It's like 80 pips or something? 60
I'm
pips?
talking about the style, right?
Yeah.
Let me do it real quick. If you caught it from one, that was negative. What? Not 8 bars. It said like 50 pip move. Oh, it is way more than 50 pip move.
Yeah, that's a huge move.
Yeah. Look at my freaking MC4.
Oh, yo, my man held it up for me, bruh. My
Up?
guy held it up for me.
You, right? You gotta job my man.
He held it up for me, bruh.
You gotta let my man's hit the weight room.
Come on. Hold the entry and we're good. Cause like yeah, if the reason I got him was because like we broke well, price made a huge move up earlier, and then we made a support here. So like if this is a support, kind of close bullish here. So if it's kind of close bullish, we shouldn't break this low to go up. So that was my stop loss down here. After my entry is here, my TP was gonna be here. I was gonna close partial here. I'm probably gonna close partial right now actually, but I'm gonna close partial real quick. Hold on.
Yeah. A few minutes ago it did a 17 pip move, and last night it did a 52 pip move. Yeah, 52. Cause the number is 518, so you just take like the last number out.
Yeah.
50,
Oh yeah.
50 pip. Yeah, big.
That's a huge move for UJ though.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What it did on last Friday, that shit was I didn't expect that to happen, bro. Wait, that was last Friday? No, that was yeah, last Friday, April 30th. That shit was let's see. It was 95 pip move in 4 hours. Damn. Alright, let me exit out of UJ. Touch that. GJ.
Yep. I closed partial, moved off the entry because we're reaching this resistance, but like since we broke the high here on the 15 minute, and hold on, and the 30 minute and 1 hour. I'm just gonna let it run because we have a high chance of coming out to fill these wicks now. On the 1 hour, this wick right here, I have a high chance of filling that because you're breaking out of this past resistance. I just hope my my thing holds here. Because looking at GJ, we should be coming up to like this level. You know, tap this resistance. So, give me a second shot. Yeah, tap this, fill his wick, tap that resistance. No machine. To me, I look clean. I look clean.
Dang. My sister's dog's gonna have her kids today. I think.
Remind me to tell you in VIP later, but that fucking Stick Mountain Classic. Yeah, bro, that's my guy right here, holding down for me. This guy lifts on weights though. Like, he's kind of skinny, but he held it up. Like, sometimes like you don't have to be
You don't have to be like motherfucking Thanos. Like,
you gotta be Thanos, bro. Oh, alright, that was good. Yeah, how's gold doing?
Still moving slow.
Oh, we're going up. Yeah. 30-man close belly should be going up here. G-Cat, how you doing?
Bro, Chicago Freestyle such a good song, bro. Good vibes.
Very good vibes.
Really good, pretty good. I'm like, bruh, yo, it was his Twitter thing. It was like, this is like, he asked his girl to show him some ass, and then like she sent him to play more Cardi verse on the Drake song. Yo.
No, yo, I actually like that verse though. I don't know. I actually fuck with it. It was the most he's rapped in a minute though. Like, he hasn't spit. He hasn't even rapped like that in like a minute.
The dialect Cardi was on the whole nother.
That was the last time he rapped, and then for like past 2 years he hasn't been rapping. He's just been mumbling. That when that song came, I'm like, yo, shit, he's actually rapping now.
This motherfucker mumbling like that.
Bro, that wasn't him rapping, bro.
Nah, that's a rap, bro.
That was some other shit.
Nah,
nah. Speaking in tongues, bro.
No, that's the most he'll rap, bro. Trust me.
No.
When an album drops, he's not gonna rap like that. I'm telling you, he's just gonna be like, hold on.
He playing with it. He playing with it. He waited. He finna bring out the dialect part 2, bro. Don't worry.
I can't fucking get him up, man.
Bro, that's what he did on. That's what he did on the Drake.
Nah, I'm telling you, bro. That's the most he's gonna rap all year. When he said,
Bars.
yeah, bro.
Fucking spit. Like, nobody would Playboy and Cardi raps. Dog, this motherfucker spit.
Like, yo.
Let's see what he said. Let's do a lyric.
Codeine, yeah. Yeah, it said like
Excellent my jeans in the abstinence.
I'm telling you, this is the most he's gonna rap all year.
Gotta go your bag, throw them racks in it.
Gotta go your bag, throwing racks in it, yeah.
Damn, that boy swole as hell. Listen to that bar, bro. That bitch went up. That bitch swole as hell.
Yo, this line right here, people said it refers to Rios and Lil TJ. He predicted it.
Bruh, who is TJ, bruh?
Oh, TJ?
All over, yeah.
You don't know who he is?
Nah, I heard.
I swear he's big. And he's not pretty big.
Okay.
Did somebody just enter the buy here on GJ?
No, into the cell and
Oh.
G-Pad.
Oh. Yeah. Look good. I am
Very good, very good.
so bearish on GCAD. Oh man, come on, just survive this entry. I'm good. Just survive this pullback, TJ.
Let's go.
Oh, I gotta hit entry, guys. I gotta stop that entry. Me no me. Now, like, I don't know. As long as we respect this low, it's just gonna go up. But if it breaks it, we're probably gonna continue back down. Bearish. Damn, GCAD move. How many pips did that GJ move? 6 pips. I close that. Damn. Trade 1 GPY buys plus 6 pips. Oh, man. I have potential.
Yeah.
Goddamn, bro.
What the fuck?
I know those ones though. I know those ones, Jimmy.
What happened?
I know those ones.
Cause what?
I know those ones.
I don't even know. Bruh, I'm gonna make me find my freaking dog. Like, bruh, it's early morning. I don't want to chase no goddamn dog. Man. I gotta find this little bitch though. I don't know where he went. Back hurt. Nah, bruh, she could chase him, cause. Oh, I'm be right back.
Only 6:48, bro. I thought that was like 7. Yeah.
Starting shit early.
Yep. Mm. What else you got here? Gold? What we gonna do here?
Bro, I just watched the security camera of where my dog went. This motherfucker broke the goddamn fence in the back. Dipped out
Bruh.
that bitch. I don't even know. Chase him, bro. I just watched the security camera. He could, bro. If you want to leave, you can leave. It is what it is. I'm dead. Watching that shit, I just see his little.
GG should just continue down now. We're breaking the lows here in the 15-minute. We're gonna tap down to this here right now. Something like this. I mean. I'm just 30-minute wick now. Gotta go your bag, put the racks in it. What up, streamers? What's up, everyone? How's your morning been? Super early. The bird caught the worm. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. Leave a like. We're gonna wait for what I'm waiting for right now is actually just yeah, going like a potential buy. Yeah, it's just that we're breaking the lows in the 15-minute here, so let's see. 30-minute as long as it respects, I think 96, we should continue to go up because we broke the highs here. So like potential targets up to like 1704, but we just gotta respect this low being made down here, right? So it's hourly. Hourly for GG's bug close bearish. See, it may close bearish though. You're in GCAD?
Yeah.
Mid pips, oh, break even still. Like 7 pips in profit, not bad. We're selling both GU and GJ. Nice. Nice. For me to sell a GJ, I'll probably need something like this. This kind of close bearish. Like this, and then next time we'll just continue down to fill this range. You know? But kind of also has a high chance of closing bullish here. Let's see. Because like we're still respecting the 1 hour high, 1 hour low. So 1 hour still bullish. We're breaking the highs. So the 1 hour has a high chance of reaching here and then coming down. We gotta see as 1 hour closes. But yeah, it's just like the smarts haven't broke the lows, but the 1 hour is still respecting it. So like, the next 30-minute candle closes bullish here. I'm probably gonna enter another buy. Going back up. Keep in mind it's a bank holiday for GJ. Pound. I mean for the yen, so might be a little slow. Well, how's US 30 doing? Not bad, not bad. Oh, by the way, it's Duncan. What up, Duncan? Should I add you to the Zoom call? What am I doing? Here, I'll add you to the Zoom call. Yo, Sam, remember this guy?
The goat right there.
Nah, Sam, because last time he came on, this guy was talking about the yen and the dollar
yeah.
not correlating or something. Yeah.
My boy.
Don Easy, yo, what up, bro? It's been a minute. Holy, it's been a minute. Jimmy, remember John Easy? Don
Yeah.
Easy? Yo, it's been a minute. Like, it's been I forgot about these guys. Check EJ daily and weekly. Yeah, it looks bearish. Daily came down to the support. Weekly, once the weekly breaks his low here, we're probably gonna head down to, I don't know, probably like 114.866 area.
Eek, ooh.
If gold 1 hour close is bearish here, we're probably gonna come down. I'm not really watching gold right now because it's pretty weird range. Can you check US30? I'm seeing a potential buy. Send me a chart. Send me a label chart with your TP, your entry, your exit, why you entered, why is this there, why is this there, you know? I'll look at it. Come on, man. Just ask me. Ooh. How's TJ? Oh, not bearish. Damn, GCAD came down.
Cat came down.
TP. Nice. Send it to Duncan. Right. What's it called? Oh, Duncan. Nice. GCAD. Perfect. GCAD, like, the 1 hour is still bearish, right? So, like my bias is bearish. I was never bullish on GCAD. Oh, that was bearish. Earlier I was watching it, I was looking at potential move from down here to here. It played out perfectly. But then I don't know what happened here. It came back up, closed bullish in the range, came back up to fill it. So now, like, if you come back in this range, we're probably gonna continue back down to fill it and eventually break it. So, looking good.
Fuck, I closed full.
No, it's fine.
What's that resistance?
Cause like I'm looking at GCAD, I'm like, this is gonna come down, man. We're gonna come down to, like, it's gonna fill. It's gonna correct this whole move probably. How many pips is this move right here?
GJ looks like it's gonna come down.
Yeah, GG's gonna come down. 30 minutes gonna close bearish here.
Ooh, GJ. Ooh.
One hour close doji for GCAD potentially. See, we get a potential move here. But that's support. Yeah, GJ closed 1 hour closed bearish at resistance. Let's see. We're gonna get a wick fill here. Now we're closed bearish, you know, 4 hours still bearish. Oh, it's bullish right now, but still didn't break the highs. Like 30 minute, I think once it breaks the low,
Just broke the low of the 15.
yeah, broke the low in the 15. 30 minute broke the low. Yeah, GJ like looking like it's gonna come down to potentially do something like this. come down, fill this wick, and it's probably gonna eventually break that and tap the support again. So it's probably gonna do something. Yep. GCAD closed bullish. If GCAD breaks the 30-minute low here, we have a high chance of coming down as well to fill this range now. This low right here. So keep an eye out for that. That's it though. This GG I'm looking at right now. Gold is probably gonna let's see. Why isn't that chart loading up? Gold's a little messy right now. I'm not really gonna touch it. Where'd Jimmy go? He's here?
Yo, what's up?
Oh, what up? What's up? What's up? Ooh, man. Yeah, probably gonna wait for someone else. I took GG buys, no. Wouldn't make sense for me to take GG stalls right away. GCAD. Probably just gonna range a little bit, you know. I'm probably gonna wait till New York Open for something, because like right now it's just probably just gonna range or something. I don't see any potential moves right now. Maybe GJ might come down, but just at the 1 hour, but like other than that, really not much. Because the 1 hour looks like it's gonna come back down to here. Look, we tapped the resistance. It was bearish here, and then this kind of broke the 30-minute low and 50-minute low. So like that should lead up to us filling this wick, and once he fills his wick, price should easily come down because wick fills are just very weak. Because when you put your TPs and when you put your support and resistance, it's usually at the bodies. It's not at the wicks, because the wicks are very weak. Once a wick breaks, it goes. So because a wick is basically just a retest. So it's like this. This is what a wick is. So basically you have price going like this. They say price going down, right? Price comes down. It retests the low. It retests the low, and then you have this, right? You have this. Actually, no. Now let's say you have a bullish candle now, so like this. Come back up, right? So pretty much, this is what leads to a wick. This formation right here, because price came down and then the last candle is bullish. That's why you have this wick here. So like what happens when the wick is filled is basically this. Now you have a bearish candle coming down here again, like this, to retest the low. And when price retests the low the second time, it could do two things. It could break it, or it could just continue to consolidate. And this is what a wick is. That's why a wick is very weak, because price is just a pullback to continue to come back down on this candle right here. That's why when price fills a wick, it usually passes that wick and comes down to the next support, which is going to be right here for GJ, you know. I took GJ buys here earlier, so I'm not really I'm not gonna take sells probably. I'm just gonna wait for an opportunity later on. But this candle right here has a high chance of coming down to fill this wick and eventually coming down to tap the support, because it closed bearish at resistance there.
Man.
When's news? An hour and a half?
My mom really thought I went to find a dog, bruh. Yeah, fuck. Bruh, like, oh, why does he keep running away? You not like me here?
Why?
What?
Why?
Why? Why are you running? Why are you running?
I give him like 2 seconds. Hold on.
You anything, Sam?
I'm in GJ's house.
Also, David Thompson, if you send a chart, just make sure you send you send it properly on TradingView. Like, don't send the full link. Just send me the last couple of numbers on it. It's in the description, and I'll send it. So, if you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. You know, if I know more about how I trade, go on KatoriFX.com. I'm gonna be adding like at least like I think 7 videos this week.
Bruh, Euro's dropping. Right
Pound. I mean the Euro JPY.
now.
Yeah.
Euro, JPY, Euro,
Yep.
GBP. I mean, not GBP, but AUD. EA.
EJ made a huge move last night. I believe once we break this 1 hour low here, we're gonna go down. Like this other channel, we're gonna go further down. Maybe to like down here. 15 pip move apparently, or potentially. And where's Q-San? Where's everyone?
Or sleep.
But yeah, for GJ to go down, we'll have to respect this high right here. Because once you break this high, then this is where potential buys to take in, and you can come up to fill this wick, right? So, yep. Obviously, kind of goes bearish. You'll probably be looking more towards the sells coming down. But if you were to break this high, we're probably gonna come up, fill this wick now. Because this count never broke the low of this one yet. You're just anticipating that's gonna come down and break that low. Because it closed bearish at resistance. I'm not in anything, I'm just waiting to see how it looks here.
Waiting.
Waiting.
I go half for GJ.
Oh, you got in?
What?
You got in?
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, I didn't hear. When? I think I went to the washroom.
I got in.
Oh.
Yeah. Bruh.
See, I have a potential buy stop here. I was looking for buys, like. How many pips is this? Is it 1-on-1? Nope. Let's see. Why is it so slow, man? I don't know 1-on-1, man. Shit. Let's see. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Because we need to close bearish below this range to continue to come down, you know?
Mm-hmm.
gold broke the high here. Yeah, think about gold. We never broke the low on gold here. Came close, but we never broke the low. And it's kind of close bullish here. So the chances of us coming up, those wick here, is quite high. Like probably 1704 is still valid for gold. It's just based off the 1 hour, because this kind of right here failed to break the low here. So this is one close bullish. Obviously, buys would be the right thing to take here. You know, we have a resistance here, so price might have some trouble on breaking resistance here. But once this breaks, we should just come up to fill this range now, 1704. This price comes up, looks left, no traffic. Yeah.
Dang.
What happened?
I just lost the video. Cool.
This GG doesn't have enough volume right now, you know, because it's just the news. I mean, not news. There's bank holiday in Japan for the yen, so.
TPY.
Yeah, if the 50-minute closes like this, if we come like this, we have support. Is there resistance? If the 50-minute closes bearish here, then you can say we're gonna go down. You have that extra confirmation, and then we have our TP down here. No, at this those range, but other than that, it might just be in this range for a little bit, especially just since there's no volume right now. And once it breaks up, once it breaks this 1 hour high right here, as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna go up, right? If it breaks this 1 hour high right here, especially if it closes bullish above this range like this, we'll go up, probably tap this resistance and then tap this wick fill up here, based off the 1 hour. But it can do two things there, so. Obviously sells would be what you're looking at right now because we closed bearish at resistance, so. But if it were to break the high, as I'm saying, is that we're probably gonna come up if you break the high. But that's why if you got in sells here on this candle, our stops should be like the 1 hour high, because then you'll know that obviously once price break gets there, breaks that, we'll probably continue to come up. Whenever you're in a trade, just look at it from the other direction. What would you do if price got here? You know, would you buy? If you buy, then that's your stop loss. Makes sense.
So should I close my position if GJ closes bullish like this?
And really touch it.
Like, did I?
I don't know, because it hasn't break the 1 hour high. If it breaks it, then you know.
Because it keeps tapping on 133. That's
Yeah.
the thing. If
Because
it breaks on
it's like-
133, then super high chance of but it just keeps tapping it, so it still has a chance instead of dropping. So it's just like being patient.
I think. Yeah, I'll probably look for a buy stop above here. This is the trade I'll take. Oh man, I erased my buys earlier. What happened? Put it back on my screen.
Dang. Oh, that undo button. Look at here.
Alright, where's the 50-minute low over here?
Yeah.
And I have a buy stop here. $101. And I have a buy stop here, 101. I should just put TP on a 4 hour high. If you fill this wick, we're gonna come up. And I have a buy stop here. I'm putting a buy stop here above this candle high, because if we break the high, we're gonna go up. Let's see. Yep, break the high, we're going up. If we don't, then you know, then nothing's gonna happen. Because if price goes down, it'll go down. If it comes up, it'll have to break this high for us to buy. So it just makes sense.
Yeah, spreads took me out. I set my stop loss a little too tight. But
Oh shit.
praying this doesn't come back down, bro. I'll be cheese.
Oh, your stop was the 1 hour high?
Yeah,
Wait, what are your spreads?
2 pips. I don't know. I didn't set it above like
I think-
I just set it like right at the line.
I think ECN would have saved you. ECN's like 1 pip, not even. Half a pip.
Just like the state line, or
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter for that. Like I don't know. It's the same anyways. I swear.
Nah, cause it never broke the high. Your spreads took you out. Yeah, but like no, that's not like the position.
Commission.
Yeah, but like the spreads are more important than commission, to be honest.
No. I knowingly did it. Like you know, like I put it right at the line. Usually I put it wherever. Like usually I put it above.
Oh, I don't know, like, cause like, on my looking at my Vantage, it never like hit the line too. Like looking at it with the spreads right now, the spreads are just like below. I don't know. I like spreads better because sometimes that could happen to you, and like I don't know, price could like not break the actual high and just the spread can just take you out. So that's why I prefer spread broker rather than commission, because I don't really care about commission. Just whatever at that point.
I think US 30 going in for a buy
US 30.
today. Yeah. It's made the news that it's gonna open up higher today. Cause
Oh yeah. 1 hour close bullish, yeah, it should go up.
2 confirmations.
Yo, Sam, what if GG comes down to TP?
Yeah, I'll be cheese still.
Where's your stop? 133.029? Or what was
I
it?
got stopped out at 132.906.
906. 906?
Oh no, wait. No, 133. No, not 133.020.
Oh. Oh, you put it like below the line? Below the
No, I
high?
put it on the line.
Oh.
I don't know why.
Gold spreads are good though. Like they're back to normal, so I'm pretty happy about that. Like they're like, fuck, never mind.
Back to normal.
Just when I said it, it was like 4 pips again. Oh no.
Yeet. Look at that. Very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, I think I'm the only person, but yo, when the markets are ranging, I just be watching cooking videos, man. This shit's fire as fuck.
What do you watch?
Cooking videos.
Cooking?
Yeah.
Boy!
Stand the,
Cooking.
but yeah, stand the cooking out, bro. This man is the most interesting like cooking YouTube ever, man. Like no cap. This is a fucking beast. Look at that. And like he's like one of those like dad funnies, so that's what makes it like a little bit better. They Chang funny, you know.
Yo, is Nav dropping an album or a song?
We saw what?
Is Nav dropping an album or a song?
Album?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
'Cause he hasn't released shit, so I'm like, I think this is a
What's
single.
the name? Cash? I think Cash is talking about it.
I think this is a single probably. Albums that come later. I don't know.
Highly likely. Let me change. Yeah, I think it's a single.
I don't know because he hasn't dropped anything in a year, in like years.
Nah, yes he did. Turks.
Well, oh yeah, he did drop Turks. Is that his song? That's his song, right?
That's his song.
Oh yeah,
He
it's
just
probably
got
an album then. It's probably an album.
Shit, we'll see. Cash like let everyone know first. Well, he drops it like little, you know. Well,
Cash XO.
bruh, what's it? Cardi's hairstylist, whatever. She said it's 18 songs on the album.
Bro, you first said Young New, now you said the hairstylist. Come on down, man.
No, for real. Nah, she said it. She said on her like live stream. She don't ask about when's Cardi shit. She said,
I highly think it's gonna drop
"How do you think?" Like,
I
stop
think
waiting on this.
this Friday.
No, too early.
Friday.
Friday? Next Friday.
There's a lot of leaks coming out this week. Like I heard like a lot of snippets this week. I don't know. Friday.
Friday?
I know stuff. I'm joking. I don't know shit.
I got mine. Next Friday.
Nah, it's Friday.
Friday. I was coming out now. I can lie. Broke my neck. That ain't.
Bruh. This sounds fire though. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. If I get copyrighted, it means the song's coming out. Oh, this shit's so fire, bro.
Your YouTube
Got a bag on me.
for copyright.
Nah, if it gets copyrighted, that means it's actually coming out. 'Cause it's not an official song. It's a leak. Ah,
It's a leak.
it's a test. It's a test.
Bro,
It's
what
a
if we
test.
caught like, what if we catch like 100 fish today? They're like, we get copyright.
The video gets taken down. Just wanna say, video taken down. Played by Cardi. Followed by was it UMG? That means it's gonna be a real song. Let's see, what do you got here? It's chart nice. Let me look at this real quick. Got a bag on me. Put a bag on you.
That's your track.
Huh? No, sing this
I was
track.
gonna say, damn, this man Don really sending himself charts.
Oh shit, I put the wrong thing. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Wait, chill, bro. You making a hit right now, too.
Am I putting it right? Fuck, I'm putting this link wrong, I think.
Are you okay, bro? This man off of perk, son.
There we go. What? What do you mean? Okay, cool. Peace. Oh fuck. Peace. Oh yeah, I think you sent the wrong link. I don't think it's me. I think you sent the wrong link, my brother. You sent the wrong one. Yeah, send it again. GG coming real close to the buy stop. GPGPY buy stop at 1.3.1 TP.
bro. When I chill on trading, I'm gonna just start cooking YouTube channel, bro. Off some chill shit.
Honestly,
Market
bruh,
psychology and
if you have
cooking.
the Switch, run that
Yeah.
shit.
Market psychology, Animal Crossing, boom.
Oh, there you go. What do you got here? US 30. Oh, nice. So you entered on this 1 hour close. Enter based off 30-minute candle push, 4-minute support. Oh yeah, that's good. Sell loss below 30-minute anticipating. Not break that low. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we broke the high here too. Broke the high here too. Pretty good to go. Just that it's at a minor resistance here, so that's why you see a rejection there. But other than that, you might just see like maybe like price might just come down to this have to support again, maybe just range a little bit, because after just eventually come up, break it again later on. But yeah, it should respect this low if it wants to go up though. Yeah, that's good. Very good, very good. Yo, someone sent me a chart one time, and yo, their bullish candle and bearish candle were both white. Like they were both one color.
Oh no.
Like what?
Yeah.
I'm
That
like
was
what?
scary, not gonna lie.
I'm like how you know which candle's going what, doing what? Ridiculous chart. The most ridiculous chart I've seen in my life.
I'm trying to find this chart that I had like a little while ago. I think I deleted it. Yeah, I think I deleted it.
30-minute GJ close bullish here. Oh, we're going up here. Could we enter a potential position here? Anticipating that we're gonna come up to the buy stop. If this is the 1 hour low, we shouldn't. Yeah, I'm entering on buy here. If this is the 1 hour low, we shouldn't come back down and break it. So instead of having a buy stop, I'm entering here. Uh, Point. What was it?
Oh man, this shit look good as fuck. Ooh.
Because if GJ wants to go up, because look, 30-minute
This
close
is
bullish,
one-
right? 30-minute close bullish here. We haven't broken the 1 hour high yet, but if we close bullish on 30-minute, because price may have support here, we close bullish here. So we also close bullish above these wicks right here, right at above these wicks, above this area. So if price wants to go up, we're just anticipating we're gonna come up to break this high here and just eventually come up to here, right? That's how I'm looking at it, because it's 30-minute candle before New York, so I'm expecting New York to push it up further when New York opens, but there's a retest right here to continue to go up. Yeah. This is the second buy I'm taking for GJ. The first one, 6 pips. This one is potential. How many pips is this? Potential 17 pip move. So stops are below the 30-minute low, right? Because that's the 1 hour low too. Well, the current 1 hour low. You're just anticipating that this is gonna be the low of the candle. So looks good. I entered with a small position first, like just 1%. After when price breaks this 1 hour high, I'm gonna enter another position, a bigger position here, or at another 3%, make it 4%, and then eventually come up. What
dropped my headset.
I'm like, what happened?
Bruh, I dropped my headset.
Got a bag on me, put a bag on you. Stop loss is 10 pips and TP is 17 pips. Let me put something here. Adding. I don't need to put that. You guys already know what we're gonna do. You guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like.
Yeah, I took the buys too.
Yeah, it was based off a 30-minute. I took a small position though, like.
But if it breaks a 15-minute low, then I'm probably gonna close most of my position.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, it looks like straight range.
I think 15 minutes looks like a range, but then the 30-minute look like looks more of a breakout candle. Like this candle closed above like this area, you know?
Mhm.
So yeah, I don't know. That's why I took it. Yo, Pierre. Thoughts on Gold Dawn? Let me see. Thoughts on gold? It's just gold's not as clear to me. like I'm probably more bullish than bearish as of right now because we haven't broken low. But once you break this low, we should just come down this 1 hour low right here. It's just that there's a support here and then the support here. It's not as clear, so that's why I'm not really watching gold today. It's just a pure range. Surprisingly, GG looks nicer than gold today, which is weird. So I'll probably just wait for a breakout of the range. To be honest with you.
Hello?
Hmm? What's up? What up, bro?
Alright. Okay. If I'm at my mom's calling.
Oh.
She asked me to smack TP. I'm like, I'm waiting, mom.
Why is that making that noise? Why is that magic keys doing that? Oh, that's that chart, nice. We got a lot of charts today. What you got here? Oh man, I don't know what's happening here still. I got no clue, bruh. I don't know, man. Like, I just guess you have a resistance support here. You got indicator here and a bunch of pivots here. I don't know. But I could say it makes sense. Yeah, 15-minute broke the low and GG here. 30-minute hasn't broken the low yet. Like, that's where our stop is. But because if this already kind of closes bearish here, oh man, we're gonna go down to here.
Fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing GG here. I'm probably gonna wait for the. Well, I took 50% off my trade here. That's what everyone closed because I'm probably gonna wait for price to break the 1 hour high to buy it up again. Like I went like a 1% this trade, so probably when like the 1 hour actually breaks the high here, this is when I'm probably gonna add my actual positions in. But yeah, because the 15-minute is breaking a low here, so that was -7 pips. Trade 2, GPGPY buys, -7.
My OG cell would have been in profit, bro.
Man 13, head and shoulders rejected, 17 rejected as I don't know what that means. Motherfucker. Rejected as a motherfucker. Okay, I got it. Now our resistance is 1700. Also pull back to 17.7 again, but now our hand to 72. Sir? Yeah. I mean, again, we closed bullish as support here. We never broke the low. You know, price came close, but we never broke the low. So obviously buys would be more in the favor. Potentially coming up to 1704, as I mentioned earlier. Once we break this high here, we should be good to go up to 1704. Closing here as GJ 15-minute is breaking the high 2-4.
This should come down now for sure.
Yeah.
Yep. Especially if the 15-minute did 15-minute close bearish? Yeah, it did.
It opened with no bottom wick.
Oh yeah, this is going down now. Yeah. So like looking at GJ, we broke out his range now. So the chances of us coming down to fill his range is quite high now because as I mentioned earlier, we never broke the high here on GJ, right? This kind of never broke the high here. We came close to it, we never broke the high here. So this was where my buy stop was, right? And then now like this wick's probably gonna get filled now because it's kind of close bearish. So what happens on a wick fill is, hold on. What happens on a wick fill is like, as I mentioned earlier, when price, what a wick fill is basically just a candle coming down like this. So like for example, price coming down, coming down, coming down, and then all of a sudden you have a bullish candle here, like this. Now that's your pullback candle, right? So that's why you have this huge wick here because that was from this one candle right here. So when price comes to a wick, it's basically just retesting retesting the low again because now your support would be right here. This is your support, right? And this is obviously your resistance up here. And this candle usually this candle that's doing right now, it came down like this to retest the low now. So when it retests the low a second time, two things can happen. It can just fill the range, come down to fill the range again, or it can eventually come down to break it. Right? That's why wicks are so weak here. Because when price fills a wick, it usually comes down further. So yeah, this would be your potential target. But I'm probably gonna be done for a day. If GG continues to sell down here. Pretty much broke
Yeah,
even.
I'm done.
Well, I'm up a little
If I
bit.
would just stuck to my 2 trades, bro, I would have been fine. I don't fucking know, man.
Like, I'm up. I'm still up because the first trade I took 6 pips with a 3%. I'm on a 3% position, and the second trade I took with 1% position. So kind of just, you know, half my shit's gone. First loss of May, not bad. So this 1 hour candle on GJ could just probably come down like this, you know? Or if like this 1 hour, if it doesn't come down like this 1 hour close bearish like this, then this candle is probably gonna fall down like this. I think for gold to go up on the New York Open, if gold wants to buy, it has to like probably close something like this, you know, above the range, and then the next candle come up like this. But yeah, we need a closure above for an official break. Yeah, my day is probably gonna be done here. I'm just gonna watch the charts from now on for the last hour, but like my probably like the only way I'll take another trade is if we have if price breaks this high right here. You know, I have a buy stop here still. But other than that, if this kind of closes bearish here, then like buys are gonna be out the window. And you probably look for sells down here, right? But if buy doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. How's GCAT looking? Damn, GCAT came back down. Ooh. Also, Sam, take 2 trades today?
I took 3.
Oh shit. Your day is done. Your day is done then, but I know you're gonna try to pop another buy.
If I just held my second trade, then I would have just had 2 profitable trades. Or would have, like, I don't know.
Oh, if you had to stop loss properly, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Boot it up. Turn it up. Where's locking them at? Go quiet in the call today.
Sweet.
He's on sleep. I don't know how you don't wake up for New York though. Or like. It's still early though. It feels like it's like at 9 o'clock, bro. But it's like 7.
It's not even
bro.
8.
It's not even 8. It's not even New York Open yet. Like
Bro, I'll look up at 5.
5.
5:30.
Oh man. I would go that time too.
Man, I'm so mad. I was supposed to wake up at 4. I would have caught a good vibe, bro.
What time you sleep?
Huh? I
How you
want to sleep at like 10:30, 11 last night.
Oh shit. How about you sound? What time you sleep last night?
Like midnight. Good sleep. Decent sleep.
Bro, I slept at 2, bro. I was playing Animal Crossing. Fuck.
The addiction has to stop.
The game is an addiction, man.
Please hit up Animal Crossing addiction hotline if you
Yes.
have one of these symptoms.
Whoever plays Animal Crossing, let me know in the description. I mean, let me know in the chat. I doubt people play it like in this chat though. Super popular game, but I doubt anyone in here has it. You know, we have like 5 minutes left in this Canada. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a huge push down. On this hourly GG candle, if you get a huge push down to fill this range down. Put it up. Turn it up. Yep. GG could come down here. Not should, it could come down on this candle. Especially if it breaks this low right here, it's gonna go completely down. This candle could close like this, and this candle could just come down. But 2 things are happening. These 2 scenarios are most likely to happen here. Alright, this one's gonna close bearish, cause I don't think it's gonna close bullish here anymore. You have like 3 minutes left. I doubt it's gonna flip. This candle's probably gonna close bearish. Next candle's gonna come down, or this candle's just gonna break down just 1 candle right now. The New York should just, if it comes down right now, New York will push it down further. Right, but if it doesn't, then New York will push this next candle like this. So we don't have a lot of volume on GJ as much because of the bank holiday or yen. But we're in London right now, so that's what's moving it, not the yen. Keep that in mind. GCAD's coming down here. GCAD's definitely coming down here. So like if we look at GCAD, the 1 hour's about to close bearish, we're probably gonna come down to like, I don't know, man. Like looking at this, like it has a high chance of coming down to 73741. Like what GG did on Friday, it corrected that whole move. So we're actually breaking the lows here, like so. So we could potentially actually come down in here. This is like a 100 pip move, man. How's the 4 hour look? 4 hours on close and then an hour. Yeah, we're coming down. If the 4 hour breaks the low here, we're definitely coming down. Yeah, we're coming down to 7374. 140 pip move. We might have some resistance here. These areas. This area. Other than that, we should be clean and come down over Like these areas will reject probably and just consolidate a little bit and just turn down to the next area. Turn it down slowly. But for one big push, we're gonna be this green line right here. It's gonna drop. GCAD's gonna drop. What is it, Tuesday? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, GCAT looks nice.
Yeah, GCAD's gonna come down. So is that Cardi Baby thing true?
Cap has to be
Academics. No wonder you didn't drop the album.
academics to cap, bro. Too weird. I know what I need to buy. I need a new mouse pad. This shit is fucking dirty. Another one. I made this shit when I was in 7th grade computer class, bro. I'm dead.
Oh wait, 1 hour closed bearish here. And GJ. Yeah, buys are out the window. Say goodbye to those. You're coming down here. GJ has a high chance of coming down now. I'm not gonna enter anything. I'm not gonna watch things happen. Oof. So now this count's probably gonna come down like this. A GCAD. And GJ, you know? To fill his range now. Probably wait for a break of this zone. This low right here. But once you break that low, we should be good to go down. Jimmy, did you get any trades today? Except for the first one?
Still in it.
You're still in it? Oh, you're still in GJ?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Really?
Still in buys or so?
No, it's buys from earlier. Didn't hit your entry?
No, I didn't hit my entry. The one stopped at the
Oh yeah,
I
you're
put
on.
out a 30-minute low. I almost touched it, but it went back up. But I'm just looking like it still has potential of going up. But only if it doesn't break this 15-minute candle, then I'm closing with little loss. But if it breaks it, I'm gonna just keep holding. So I'm just watching 15.
How did gold do? Yeah, see how gold closed bearish below the range now? It's just that now we have so much traffic here. We have traffic here, 6.3, and then we have more traffic down here at 9.3. But once all that breaks, we should be heading down to Phil's wick at 16.89. Alright, New York's just open, so we might see a huge push down to continue the trend. Doing GJ, we close bearish over support. I mean below support. GCAT looks good. Come down.
You're
I
back.
think for GJ, two ways I'll buy here is if the 1 hour breaks the high, you know, on this candle, or if the 4 hour candle closes in 54 minutes bullish above this zone right here, above like this area, and then you'll see the next 4 hour candles like potentially come up, right? The next one at 9 a.m. So as long as the next 4 hour candle respects the low here, we should just go up. That's if the 4 hour closes like this, right? And then we'll probably come to tap this area up here, but we'll probably need that 4 hour candle closure or a break of that range this high, right? But on the 30-minute, it looks like it's gonna come. I don't know, like right now, it looks like it's gonna come down. Especially like if this 1 hour low breaks right here, it'll probably come down. Because overall, it's still in a range. Overall, it's still in this huge range. Like this, you know, it hasn't broken out, hasn't broken to the top or bottom, hasn't done that yet. So, I think we're still in the range. We're still trading in the range. It's a bigger range. It's a range within the range. It's a 24 pip range. Oh, GCAD came down here. Oh, shit. If you guys took GCAD, it's in profit. Yeah, so now we're probably gonna tap those minor support area, but my target for GCAD is like down here, the 4 hour support area, right? Oh man.
Damn, that was a nice sell.
Yeah.
20 pips.
Yep. Like my target for GCAD is probably gonna be down here. For today. You guys took GCAD? Leave a like. Cause I did break it down. I said it was a clean sell. I didn't enter because you know my days is done here. I closed it in profit. Took 2 trades, 1 loss, one dub. The dub was a 3% trade. The loss was a 1% trade. So it just added up to be a win. You know, GCAD is pretty much like pretty simple. It's just we broke below the zone. We're here in hourly time frame, and that was basically it. And the 4 hour broke the low too. Right, as I mentioned earlier, this 4 hour would have been your sell stop, or you could just enter this new 1 hour candle right here. Come down, yeah. So like right now we're probably tapping a small support level, like as I said, right here. We tapped around this area. Then the next area we're gonna tap is probably this area. and then eventually this area. So price, yeah, sure, it's a clean candle move, but you're not gonna see one huge candle coming down, especially for a move like this. You're probably not gonna see that. So like, you're not gonna see this candle coming down like this, right? So what these minor supports mean is like price is gonna come down, tap it, reject it like it is right now, and then it's gonna make support and it's gonna make a resistance. And then when it has this, once it breaks this support again, it's gonna come down and eventually tap this next level support right here. And then it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna range in here and eventually come down to this level. And then it's gonna do the same thing again, make support, make resistance, and eventually come down. Like sure, on a daily time frame, it's gonna look like one big candle, but on a smart time, this is how it's gonna look. It's just gonna be a bunch of range, come back down, you know. This. Eventually, it's gonna tap this area today or tomorrow. So. But yeah, if you guys got in right here, I'll probably move stops to entry and let the rest run. Just secure like 20 pips. Straight. So. Is that in it?
What?
GCAD?
No, you're in it?
No.
I wish I took it, but yeah.
I would have took it if I didn't have
I already took 3 trades.
If I didn't have if I didn't have this trade right here, I would have took it. So I went back to my regular account for May and like I'm just being more cautious for it. What with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna start using slightly lower lots too this class. Just until I'm consistently profitable every day.
Hello.
What up?
Yeah. So yeah, TJ did like I expected it to do.
Oh, came back to top resistance. Yeah, happened to what it does here.
Yeah. If it taps this shit, if it taps 133 one time, shit, plugging it.
Yo, I think. Yeah. 133. Once it breaks that, it's gonna go up. That's the 1 hour high. You know. You have a potential buy stop. I did say I was only gonna take GJ buys. And I was gonna take any trade if GJ was gonna come down, right? I have a potential buy stop. The stops will be, I have a buy stop here. Stops will be 16 pips. DP would be about 16 pips. 101.
Yeah, if GJ keeps his bullish momentum up on the 15th, it should break 133 on this try. Cause it hit 133. How much? That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So if it manages to break, then it's going up. But if it taps one time, it's just going down.
come back into range. The 15-minute closes bullish here. It's gonna be a fake out. Go up, right? Because now you have break out of range. Bearish goes back into range. If it kind of goes back into range, this will be your entry for buy. And back up to fill his range and eventually come up, tap this area. Yeah. Decap perimeters. I just broke it down. You could just go back and watch it. I explain what these green levels mean, and I explain what's gonna happen with my target down here. Gold movement. Yeah, gold broke the low here. Now it's coming back up for the range. So this is way too messy. The 1 hour looked clean for itself. But now it's just coming back into range. Much traffic to the left. Let's see what GG does, because the GG has to close in this range to continue to come up. The 30-minute hasn't closed yet. You know, we haven't broken the high yet. So this can mean two things here. This kind of close, like since like the 15-minute just closed bullish, it didn't really close bullish back into range. It just closed bullish at like I guess some type of support here. Let's see what it does here. But 30-minute hasn't closed yet, and we haven't broken the high on 30-minute, so.
So either two things gonna happen right here. One, GD is gonna fill that wick and then continue pushing, or
Yeah.
two, just straight up drop.
Yeah, like
What's
I said, yeah, you said how this wick is gonna get, like, yeah, GG could come up to fill this 15-minute like here like this. Could do something like this.
yeah.
It's just that can happen, or if it breaks this low right here, this low, it would be gone to come down, right? But yeah, I think
Yeah,
if,
for sure.
If people are not in it, I think they'll be looking for buys, probably a buy stop above the 1 hour high right here, be super clean, and probably a sell stop below here, or no, I'm sorry, below here. Buys, so yeah. Cause right now, like you can't really say it's gonna come down, or you can't really say it's gonna come up, because
They're just stuck in like this range right now.
Because the 30-minute did come up, but it didn't break the high here. So like we have the 15-minute closed bullish, we can say that, but it didn't close bullish to a point where you can say it's gonna go up. Close bullish below the range. So, like obviously I'll be more favorable for sells right now, as of right now, because it sounds bearish though. We're still rejecting this level, but when we break this, my buys will be buys to up here. Yeah. So if you're in it, lots of break even, then you got nothing to worry about. Oh, GCAD.
Yeah, I just did mean fake out.
GCAD.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mentioned sells from here earlier.
Yes.
Look at my look at this. Look how clean it looked. Look at that. Just a simple break and retest. 4 hour broke the low. You know, sells would have been there, or 1 hour. You know, even on this.
People enter like where those two big bull candles are, expected it to keep going, but fell for a fake out once it did like that candle right there before.
Yeah, it came back. It came back into range and get filled.
Yeah.
The fake over here and come back to range. Yeah. But even if like this kind right here, it didn't really like break below the range. It was still in this support. Yeah, so New York opened and just pushed it.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Yeah. GCAD. GCAD. We might just get a nice support here, right? So like that's what I was talking about. These green lines is what they mean. Right now we just have a nice support here. So let's see. We have to break out this range to continue to come down. So maybe like if it comes like this, via bearish candle, it comes down, breaks the low of this candle, like this. Then we'll say that the next candle can come down, like this. And then from here you get another range and a nice resistance. Right, same shit. And wait for a break of that range to come down again. Eventually come down in here. And same thing over and over. Yeah, it's a clean traffic candle in a 1 hour, but it doesn't mean it's gonna come down completely like this. That'll be crazy if it does.
Yeah, you 30 did that push.
U30.
Yeah, you did that push.
Oh yeah, so, Jason,
Yeah,
the chart that he sent earlier, it played out. Where is it? Right here. Perfect analysis.
Clean, simple.
New York pushed it up. Yeah, clean, clean, clean. I'm gonna have a buy stop on GG here.
Oh. Wait, did you see what gold did? Like, a few, hours ago. Those two big wicks, bro.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen this.
What the heck?
Seen this.
Hell no. I'm scared of
It was a London though, so like it didn't happen. Didn't happen, but yeah.
Oh, staying off in London again. It's good. Never good. Never ever.
RP London.
Never ever. But yeah, just kidding. I might start doing it again. We'll see. Maybe starting next week. We'll see.
Let's see. If GCAD closes bearish here like this, the next candle is gonna push down hard. It's gonna fill his wick, and then eventually break it. This is what you'd be looking for. Cause a wick fill, like if think about it, this wick fill that we always talk about is it's like a range. It's like technically a range. The price is tapping the top of resistance. Cause look on a smaller time frame, it'll look like this. Like this is how it looks on this candle. So let me draw it out. It looks like this. But on a smaller time frame, it's technically looking like this. This is a smart time frame right here. You have this. This. We have. Alright, and then now we're just tapping this resistance. Support. So a wick fill is like when people say that I don't trade in the ranges, they don't understand that this one candle is a range itself. This is what a range is. You're just anticipating that the pullback go back down. That's what a wick fill is, you know? Like then you get a candle like eventually like this, and then come down like this. And that's how the next candle come down like this. It's a simple concept. Simple concept. I know I'm not making this up. It's just like looking into like candles. So if you just focus on candles, candles tells you a lot. Like even though one candle just like it looks like whatever candle, that one candle has a lot of structure in it. You know, like this one candle right here. Alone, this one candle right here is this right here. If people don't look at the market that way, if you just look at it from like an overall view of the structure itself, but they don't look at candle structure in general. Because candles tells you a lot. Candles the first thing that comes that you look at when it comes to your charts. Not no let's see. Yeah, not anything else, just pure candles. People look at structure like this. I guess it's fine too. It makes sense to look at it like this too, but it's just one candle shows all of this stuff. Because this itself is one candle, anyways, on a weekly. That's basically one candle. It's like saying it's like doing the same thing just on a smaller time frame. Bro, I can't wait to drop these videos during the course, man. It's a wrap.
How much you finna drop?
Like 7, 8 videos. Like I already has like 6 hours of content, right? But then now it's gonna have like probably an extra hour and a half or 2 hours of content. That's and there's no webinars in there. It's like one webinar only, but like that's it. The rest is just pure content.
Gotcha. Yeah.
GJ is gonna close bullish in the range here. Yeah, it's gonna fill it. This is what you call a fake out now. Now when it fills it, it has a 80% chance of breaking it. I mean, of filling it. After it has a 85% chance of filling it, and it has a 77% chance of being up.
Breaking it.
Yeah.
Alright. Same thing with a sell situation too, right?
Yeah, it's a fake out. Cause like what is a fake out? You know, a fake out is basically push down to go up. It's just coming back into range. It's just price breaking resistance. Cause look, if you think about it, if I were to go here, I'll explain it to you. So you see my chart, right?
Yeah.
So like, for example, let's say you have like this. I put like this. And you have this. Right, and then now let's say, for some reason before here you had a full candle like this. This, right? So now, where's your support? Where's your resistance? It's most likely gonna be your support here, and then this is your resistance. Because you see multiple rejections. So when price comes up again, it's just breaking resistance now, like this, right? Because now it's coming back into range. So then where's your top? Where can I go if you look to the left now? If you look to the left, we're probably gonna come up to here. So now this candle right here, this is breaking resistance now. Obviously, when price breaks resistance, where does it go? It goes up. So look up, look to the left, no traffic, and that's what a FACO is. It's just like coming back into range. It's just another term for it, yeah. So now, if I were to erase these candles right here, what does it look like now? It looks like a pure fake out. That's what it is, right? So it looks like the price came down, broke below it. You're expecting this candle to eventually you're expecting this next candle to come down like this, but instead it closes bullish back into range. And now it's breaking resistance to come up bullish range, and eventually it's gonna come up further, or whatever's to the left. Yeah. Bro, I love looking at candles, bro. Like some days when I'm just like back testing, I'll just draw a round candle like this, and I'll look into, like, I just see what happens inside of it. Yeah, it's that cross.
Mega 1629 looking ass.
16. 30-minute close bearish here on GCAD, so like you're probably gonna get a potential move down to those wick. Throw it up. Throw it up. 16. Why not?
Bro, 1629 is so fire, bro. No cap.
gold coming back up. Did you remember I sent you a Cardi leak? I think I sent. Oh, you don't have Spotify, right? I can't even send it.
Nah, you can still send it though. I got my girl. I got my girl spot.
Yeesh. Hold on. Where's it? This has like all the leaks.
Yes, sir. If she asks why, if I listen to this, don't even worry about it. You don't see nothing. Okay.
I'm on a stream, bro. He's probably gonna come get me. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hey, you mentioned Cardi leaks in your video today.
Sir? Phone now. Hand over the phone, and everything will be okay. But we'll listen to it later. Got that one spot.
Has every leak in there,
Bro.
and it's never gonna get taken down.
It has 1629, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
Sounds old
Bro,
though.
I just listened to it right now. This shit's hard as hell. I like the beat. Like, super different.
I sent you on Telegram.
Yeah, I saw it. Come on, I'm gonna listen to it later at work. But I forgot my headphones at home yesterday. I was so bored at work, man. I'm like, this shit's bored. I need some fire to listen to. $16.29. 16 divided by 4 equals 4.
Damn, Roger had a bad day today.
Yeah, I saw that. 1,500.
He took 5 trades. Come on, my guy.
No, I think it's. Wait a minute.
Oh, no,
Is it 5 trades or is this like?
I don't know. They're all different parameters. I think he just took maybe 2 trades, 2 or 3 trades maybe.
Because look, I know Roger, like he's not the type to take a lot of trades.
Like no, I've seen the trades. I've seen the trade he took. I'm looking at it. It's just
I'm gonna look at it again. Oh, I see it.
I think one of them were the same entry as mine. It was one I called and hit close 7 pips. One of them were like that. Robin.
Yeah, this video of this dude eating if you know what Ejole is, right? It's like the corn on a steak with like some mayonnaise or whatever on it. And bro,
Or what the hell is that? I don't know what that is.
Oh shit.
Corn on cob?
Yeah, it was like corn on cob and it had, like, some mayonnaise shit on it. But yeah, this dude was tearing that shit up and then like someone in the Twitter comments was like, damn, he giving that shit straight neck.
Bruh.
I'm dead. Oh man, love Twitter, man. Twitter funnies. Straight savage, I love it.
Twitter has no chill.
No cap. Bro, I remember when it was making jokes about the fucking that bombing in January,
Mhm.
and like someone played the you know when you finna drop a nuke and it does that little announcement.
Yeah.
It said how Trump woke up this morning, and then like I'm like, come on, dog, that's not funny. I mean, not Trump, but you know, my country woke up this morning. I'm like, come on, dog, it's not even funny. But it's like 50, 50, 50, 50. The only thing I don't like about FX Choice is like big commissions. Other than that, it's straight.
Are the spreads fine though?
It's pretty good. It's just commissions that be bugging me sometimes. That it is. And like the other thing to like point out is like the latency's a little bit bad. I don't know why. Like it's a little bit bad. Like it's kind of laggy sometimes. But other than that, it's good.
It's
It's good.
laggy?
A little bit. Sometimes
MT4
it's
shouldn't be.
laggy.
That's weird. 'Cause MT4 shouldn't be laggy.
No. Like sometimes it be laggy,
Hmm.
but most of the time it's straight. This is how like random moments it be laggy.
What time do you usually start your trading then? I start at 6:30 a.m. and I finish at around right now 9. So I'm probably gonna end the stream here. Um, let's see though. I'm just gonna wait to see how GG plays out. You know, took 2 trades today. Took one 6 pip buys and then took another one 7 pip loss. So, but GJ is like moving, but it's not.
Moving as it's supposed to be since it's a bank holiday.
Yeah. This buy stop's probably gonna get activated here soon. So let's see. Because GCAD actually came back into range now. We broke structure here, so now it's probably gonna come back into range to continue to come back up. And then the 1 hour will close, meaning that the sell was not valid anymore. For us to sell, we need price to break below this range and then continue to come down. Since it's gonna close bullish here, we're probably gonna come back up. See, the 4 is about to close soon. So.
Oh shoot!
Buy stops are activated for GJ. So my target is probably gonna be stops below here. My target is gonna be up here. I'm probably gonna take partials over here. So My third trade of the day. Whenever broke the high, so we're gonna head up here. But yo, I'm probably gonna hop off the call. I'm in this buy, but I don't know if I wanna sit through another hour of just on the stream. So I'm gonna end the stream, but I'll update everyone in the free channel and everything. But yeah, I'm in the buy. Gotta buy here, gotta buy stop. Where's it right here? Buy stop right here. You know, 16 pip stop. TP is up here. You know, taking partials when it comes to fill his wick. 4 hours on close is bullish here for GJ, so we just should potentially come up. Oh yeah, looks very clean. Catch you guys tomorrow, 6:30 a.m.